Okay, right now you can see we've got a gap, in the concrete entryway in the sidewalk. It's on both sides, it's an inch and a half, 2 inches sagging down here at an angle. So, first thing you're going to do is you want to build this little thing we're going to use to jack it up. It's 3 boards, long boards about 3 feet. The top one there is about 10 inches. The middle one there is about 8 inches. Definitely want to secure them really well. And that way, it doesn't break whenever you're jacking this up. So next thing is you're going to take a 3/8 inch drill bit and line it up and get the drills bit started, and then remove the board once you've got it started, and use your hammer drill with the masonry drill bit and drill down all the way through. That way we're going to put our 3/8 inch anchor bolt in there. And then you want to save the dust also. So we're going to use that later. So we got our anchor bolt here, and we're going to want to nail that in, put the washer and the nut over it, and just hammer that down pretty good in there. Also actually added another board next to it for extra security so it doesn't break. Slid the jack underneath it and started jacking it up to where I wanted it to go. Okay, next thing we're going to do is take our 1/4 inch masonry drill bit and drill the holes, and then we'll put our big gap filler in. Fills up to 3 inches, and I'll put that down here below, and it will fill it up pretty quickly. You'll definitely hear it. It'll definitely change sounds once it gets close to the top. Next, use your Sawzall to cut off the anchor bolts, and then use a punch to hammer it in. Don't hammer it in all the way. Leave it a little bit, like a 1/4 inch or so. You don't want to go all the way through because we're going to fill that in. Then clear out the dried up foam with your 1/4 inch regular drill bit, and clean that out. Scrape it away with a wire brush and make sure it's all nice and clean so we can put some self-leveling caulking in next. And then we're going to fill those holes. It'll definitely level out itself. And then at the end, we'll put some of that dust over it, so that way it'll have a nice, clear, and finish that will look very close to what the normal concrete looks like, so you can't tell the holes were drilled there. All right, next we're going to use some concrete patch, some ready mix concrete patch, and just evenly spread that on. You can leave the caulking if you want. It's self-leveling. But if you want a little extra protection or a little bit smoother finish, you can use this concrete patch. Like I said, it's ready mix. It sets up pretty fast. I think it's like a 2-hour complete dry time. Just put it on with just a putty knife, get it pretty smooth. Very easy to apply. After that, just put on some of the dust that we saved from drilling the holes earlier. Just kind of pour it out, rub it around, and let that set up for a couple hours, and then you can sweep that off. And then I would wash it off afterwards. If you want to, you can do that. And here's the finished product. Put some caulking there in the seam. And now we got a finished level entryway sidewalk. Thanks for watching.